one excellent way that I keep my life simple, organized, and kind of that mental clarity in there is by having regular resets. And for me, this means taking a certain period of time off. After, for example, working a month, I take a few days off just to let my mind rest, start to get new ideas, kind of like leaving that energy behind and renewing, recharging myself for the next chapter. Every 2 months, I take a few days off from YouTube. I don't reply to comments. I don't make any new videos. Also, every 2 months, I take a break from exercising, because if you all the time just go up, there will be a point where you hit that plateau mentally, physically, spiritually, whatever it is, and you start to go down because you need that rest. Your body needs it. Your mind needs it. Your partner needs it, most likely from you as well. Your family, your friends. If you're spending 24/7 with somebody, at some point you need a break. And that's just completely natural. So remember to do these resets regularly, because always when you come back stronger. Second way for me is to do a yearly declutter. I'm not really a person who every time I see something, I pick it up and think, well, okay, I might need this, I might not need this, let's put it there and donate it. So that's why it's so important that I have some sort of system to do this. And I do this exactly every year when I feel inspired. A few weeks ago, I really felt it and I did it. And I even filmed a video about it. But keeping your space decluttered, organized is so important for your mental health. I talk about this quite a lot on this channel, because if your space is very cluttered, also your mind is very cluttered. So for you, this might be every month, every weekend, every year. That is, I think, would say the minimum every year. That's what I do. But if you feel to do more, of course, feel free. And in these declutters, you can go through everything, like the entire house, or you can do just one place. Wardrobe, your bedroom. Maybe I would start with the one that gives you the most stress, the ones that has the most cluttered things. It has helped me immensely. For the next, I will be using my laptop, so you get a better understanding what I mean when I say plan your days and weeks effectively. For this, I use Notion, and I'm super grateful for them for helping a small creator like me by sponsoring this video. So what Notion is, if you haven't heard of it, it's basically like a free tool or workspace online that you can use to organize your life and keep it simplified. So you have basically everything in one place. To plan my days and weeks effectively, I use this to-do list here. I put here the most important tasks that I have. Like now is, for example, film this video. It's for today and high priority. Then I have other things here like newsletter stuff that we are launching on Sunny Kind Journey, filing taxes and publishing this video. And what is so cool is that from here, I can take things easily and put them to my weekly planning. I could check from here what I have. Okay, tomorrow I have this set up newsletter provider, write newsletter email. And this way you can so easily keep your life organized. And that leads us nicely to the next one, that is write down everything. Our brains are excellent to get new ideas, but so bad to remember stuff. Every video course that I do, every little shower thought that I have, if I think that it's beneficial or could be even beneficial for me, I write it down here. So everything about YouTube, notes, running, seasons and events for this year that I have, current PBs and previous PBs, and my full program for this year as well. And I write down my mileage. Like, I have everything here so that I don't have to guess what I should do, what was happening then. This just makes me feel so relaxed when everything is organized in one place and you can do it fully yourself. I like to keep my Notion very simplified. It's not like a whole visual gallery, but you can do that. And what is something super cool is that you can go here to templates, and they have so many themselves already. If you're a student, budgeting, so many different things. You don't need to create everything yourself from scratch. And last one I could show you here, which is another way to keep your life simple and organized, is to balance out life through monthly reviews and goals. So I write here every area of life. I make goals for that, and after each month I review it. So for example, for health and fitness, I have remember standing while working, follow the new workout plan. For mind and emotions, don't distract mind all the time, limit YouTube Shorts use. And it's so nice that I can go back to this so easily, and I can take from here. So for example, I have a start a newsletter here. I could just copy and paste this, put it on my to-do list as exactly I have done this. So this has so much improved my productivity as well to get the things done that I want, whatever it might be. For example, focusing on my own spirituality. If you want to start organizing and keeping your life simple, I highly suggest to get Notion. I will leave a link in the description so you can get started today. Thank you again, Notion. You make my life so much easier. The next one I have found to be absolutely crucial if you are learning something new, starting a new project or something like that, and that is to focus only on the next step. If you try to focus on what is 10 steps from now, or what are all the professionals doing in languages, what are all the grammar rules, or in entrepreneurship, how to file all your taxes. If you believe that you need to do all those things before getting started, or when you are just basically on the step 1 or step 2, very quickly your mind will get super cluttered, you become stressed, and you will drop the whole project. So in order to keep life simple and organized, you must realize that the next step is the only one you need to focus on. Of course, it's good to keep like kind of in your mind that, okay, these are some things that in the future I need to learn. So let's say you want to declutter your house. You need to maybe think, okay, these are all the rooms that I need to declutter. But you don't need to think when you are decluttering your kitchen, what is in the attic corner somewhere. Like, it doesn't make any sense. You just need to focus on the kitchen. And this is of course much easier said than done, but remembering this when you are learning something new or starting a new project will help you so much and keep your mind clear. Specialized morning routine. This is something that I could call like a cornerstone of my life these days. I wake up and I do the same things every day, or at least every weekday if on the weekends I have something else planned for the morning. And I think most of us already know the power of morning routine, but why I wrote specialized morning routine is that what fits for me or for Tony Robbins or for Marie Kondo might not fit for you. Therefore, you need to try different things and also think what fits for you in general. Do you like to do a lot of things in the morning, or do you like to have a calmer morning? Did you eat so much last night that you don't need a breakfast? Or did you eat dinner at 5, as that's something we do in Finland quite a lot, and then you need a bigger breakfast? For me, it's very important to keep my morning slow and organized so that when I go to sleep, I already know things that I will do in the morning, and I don't have to kind of figure out, okay, what will I do this morning? It's a very wise thing to write down your morning routine so you remember it, and you can of course use Notion for that. Again, the link for that is in the description, and if you want to see my morning routine, click this video next. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to stay kind and meaningful in your own beautiful journey. See you in the next one.